Assalamu alaikum friends. Today we are resolve and introduce the reality of co-star Roshni R. Gokchi of Darling Artugal Ghazi. His real name is Burcu Karatli. Burcu Karatli is one of the most famous and richest Turkish actress. With her beautiful looks and brilliant acting, she has won many hearts. She has worked in many Turkish TV serials. Burcu Karatli played the role of Roshni Khatun Gokchi Hanton in the famous Turkish serial Deliz Artugal. Burcu's performance in Artugal was brilliant. She has a hug fan following and her fans want to know interesting facts about Burcu Karatli. Here we have complete biography of Burcu Karatli, Roshni Khatun Gokchi. Let's dig into know the amazing detail of Burcu Karatli. Age: Burcu Karatli was born in 23rd July 1989 in Istanbul, Turkey. She is 30-year-old. On 23rd July 2020, she will turn in 31. Education: Burcu Karatli has graduated from the Visual Communication Designing Department of Yadip University. Afterward, she got an acting education and started to work as an actress and model. About family: Burcu Karatli was married to the famous Turkish singer and composer Sezen Aksu in 2018. Burcu Karatli and Sezen Aksu were the most famous Turkish celebrities couple. Burcu Karatli has part of showbiz news for her bold wedding dress for the very long time after his wedding. Burcu Karatli has divorced after 6 to 8 months of their wedding. Both got divorced after mutually agreeing on the decision of separation. If we talk about show's career, Burcu Karatli is not only a famous Turkish actress but she is an amazing model. She often appears in fashion shows and also works for different popular brands. She has been part of many famous Turkish TV serials. Burcu Karatli performed the role of Roshni Gokchi in drama Turkish Deliz Artugal. Deliz Artugal is popular in Pakistan with the name of Artugal Ghazi. Burcu Karatli played the role of younger sister of Saleh Khan Shehnaz and was looking very pretty in the traditional getup. Her famous drama serial list is Elde Var Hayat, Deliz Artugal, Mustafa Kemalin, and the complete list of Burcu Karatli movies C1 Ats, Pari Masali and Bizim Hikaya.